Hello dear student, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear students, as you can see, we are going to study unit 2nd, the master artist. Okay? So students, before starting the chapter, let's see few lines about the author. So dear, the first question is that who is the author of this chapter? So students, Carol Moore is the author of this lesson. Okay? Carol Moore is the author of this lesson. She was born on 12 July 1871. Okay? She was born on 12 July 1871 in US. Where she was born? She was born in US. Okay students? Is that clear? Okay. Dear students, Carol was an author and the creator of the site Children's Story Books Online. Okay, she was an author as well as she created the site Children's Stories Book. Okay, she created the site to fulfill her lifelong dream of writing stories for the children. Okay, she was fond of writing stories for the children, so that is why she created the site Children's Story Books Online. Okay, she also illustrates stories for the children. Okay, and after all, finally, she died. She died on 20 January 20 January in 1961. Okay, she died on 20 January 1961 at the age of 89. When she was 89-year old, she died. Okay students, so dear, I hope you have got these all points about the author Mr. Carroll. Now students, let's see about the chapter, the master artist. So as the title tells us that we are going to study about a person who is artist. Okay, who is artist. So the first question is, who is the artist? Who is the master artist? So students, you can see the first line, Monsieur Sidney Lave. Okay, so students, Monsieur Sidney Lave is the artist, okay, about whom we are going to study. Okay, okay students, so let's see first paragraph. Monsieur Sidney Lave had been a master artist of his day and in 1392 was ready to retire when in the month of May Giuliano Bertoli, a rich Italian patron, sent for him. Okay students, let's see. So students, the first line is printed in bold, Monsieur. So what is the meaning of Monsieur? So student, Monsieur means Mr. What is the meaning of Monsieur? That means Mr. And Monsieur is a French word. Okay, and in French, Monsieur means Mr. So Mr. Sidney Lave had been a famous master artist of his time. Okay, he was popular for his art. Okay, his painting. In 1392, he was ready to retire. Okay, it means to say in 1392 he was ready, okay, to retire from his job. Okay, when in the month of May Giuliano Bertoli, a rich Italian patron, sent for him. So now the question is that who is Giuliano Bertoli? So students, Giuliano Bartoli, he is a rich Italian patron. So what is the meaning of patron? So patron, we can say patron, a person who support artists and writers. In the old times, kings used to support the poets, authors, artists, and writers. So Bartoli is a rich Italian patron. Okay, he sent for Sinilave in his court. Okay, now see further. On his arrival, Bartoli said, I would like a portrait of myself on the wall of my dining hall where everyone can see it. Could you paint it? The wall is 20 feet tall. So students, when the king Giuliano Bartoli sent for Sinilave in his court, okay, then the master artist Sinilave arrived in his court, okay, and when he arrived in his court, Bartoli asked him, he requested him, we can say he requested him to paint a portrait of him. Okay, he requested Sinilave that he paint a portrait of him. Okay, and where he requested to paint his portrait, the king requested the master artist to draw his portrait on the wall of dining hall. Okay, he requested him that he wanted that he paint a portrait of the king on the wall of the dining hall where everyone can see it. Okay, could you paint it? The wall is 20 feet tall. And the king also tells the master artist that the wall where he has to draw the portrait is 20 feet tall. Okay, so student, what was the length of the wall? 20 feet. Okay, students, now see paragraph second. Monsieur Lave looked thoughtful for a moment. When Monsieur Lave, the master artist, when he heard the request of the king, for a few moments he did not respond. Okay, he was thoughtful. Okay, he did not reply anything to him, and then shook his head. I am sorry. And after that, the master artist refused to draw his portrait. Okay, but I do not think so. I am ready to retire, so I am not available for hire. The master artist, Mr. Sinilave, asked the king Bartoli that he is ready to retire, that's why he is not available for hire. Okay. However, seeing the disappointment in Signor Bartoli's eyes, he continued, well, there is a possibility if you think you can allow me to use my abilities to the fullest, if you let me find out how far I can go as an artist. Not for money, mind you, but for food and a bed instead. Okay. When the master artist refused to draw the 20 feet tall portrait of the King Bartoli, the King Bartoli got disappointed. Okay, he became very sad. When the master artist noticed his disappointment, his heart melted. Okay, and he asked the king, there is a possibility if the king allow him to use his ability to the fullest. It means to say, if the king allow him to draw the portrait according to his desire, if no one check him, if no one ordered him, then he is ready to draw the portrait of the king. Okay, and he also tells him that he will not take a single money for the portrait that he will draw. Okay, but he need only food and a bed. Okay, then he put some condition before the king that he will draw the portrait of the king, but he will not take money and he will not draw at the order of someone. He will draw the portrait willingly. Okay. Now see further. You need not even pose because my memory is excellent. And the master artist further tells the King Bertolli that he need not even pose for the portrait because his memory is very good. He has an excellent memory. So he can draw his portrait without his pose. Already I can see your portrait in my mind. Okay? But I insist, Signor Bertolli, that while I work, your portrait must remain hidden even from you. Okay? He put one more terms and condition before the King Bertolli. He asked King Bertolli that when he will draw the portrait of the king, okay, no one will see the portrait until he finish it. Even the king himself could not see the portrait. Is that clear? Okay, students. So students, I hope you have got these all points very well. Now see paragraph 3rd. How strange, thought the patron, but he also thought about how highly the artist had been recommended. Of course, when the king heard the terms and conditions of the master artist, he became very thoughtful. Okay, he feels a little bit strange. At last, he feels that he had recommended a great and very highly popular artist. Okay, he said, anything you wish, but I insist at least upon paying you something for your effort. Let's draw up a contract. At last, the king asked the master artist that whatever he thinks, he is ready, but he requested the master artist that he must pay something for his effort. Okay, he must pay him something for his effort, for his attempt. Okay, let's draw up a contract. And after that, he requested the master artist to sign a contract. Okay, students, so I hope you have got these all points very well. Now we will see the next paragraph in the next video. Till then, watch the video and enjoy.